everyone, it's me, Blue. So, as many of you guys know, my school has a uniform, so I'm always trying to figure out ways I can express my magical self. So, I've been super into making my own earrings lately, so I kind of wanted to try Dreamcatcher earrings. So, let's get started! First, you'll need string, feathers, 2 different types of beads, jump rings, wire cutters, earring hooks, not earring hooks. They're earring hooks. Key rings, and glue. The first step is to glue string onto your key ring and then loop the string all around till you get to the end. Use your wire to create a web into the middle of your key ring. Don't forget to add a bead in the middle. Grab a jump ring and attach it onto your chain, and then attach it onto your hoop. Use string to attach your feathers and your beads to your loop. While that's drying, finish the other one. The last step is to trim your feathers to a V shape at the bottom. So what do you think? A win or a fail? Write your answer in the comments below. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with all of your friends. Bye!